When my account was taken down,
ang
or
grupo
took
sa
down,
Meta ipatawag sa
we complained to the, we write to the Meta about
bawal na di ay
my,
mag-ano na ay
my account.
mag-criticize ang mga
And then,
Pilipino sa mga binuhatan sa
why
kuan.
is it that you are
Bawal na di
taking
ay.
down specific account without
hawa karon, ginamay na po si Meta.
explanation or without any justification to the subscriber? Like for example, just take the account and that's it. So no explanation
sana
at all.
maka-false Castro oy.
So you will just explain if
Pati si
we
Meta,
will write you
Meta
on
Pro
what happened to the
hindi
account.
patawag sa
So
Congress.
there's no, I mean,
manang uban na
is
sila
there
makaulaw
a-
daw pakaulaw lang sa tibok
a-
kalibutan.
like
Kaya
for
naman,
example,
dili
due
man mo
process in
i-criticize
place.
sa mga katauhan
In
kung
your-
ano ang
in
mga
your
binuhatan ninyo o kung wala mo
platform.
binuhatan.
Another question, Mr. Chair, is about the inaction of the Meta on the AI-generated images abused. I was also a victim of that when I hold a gun. Yeah, they are using the AI generated, but still in the platform. But you are not, the Meta is not doing anything about that, and many progressive organizations and individuals are victims of that, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, sorry. So the question,
So how do you detect, or why are you not taking down AI generated images that you think are not or inappropriate or not true or misinformation?